Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to upgrade to Turkish Airlines business class. To begin, visit the Turkish Airlines website and register for an account. Once you've signed in, navigate to the Experience section and choose Business Class. Scroll to the bottom of the page and select Sign Up for Miles&Smiles. Complete the registration form by entering your personal details, including your name, preferred language, date of birth, title, address, email, and phone number. After submitting the form, your Miles&Smiles membership will be activated. Then, return to the home page, open the Book and Manage menu, and click on Manage Booking. Provide your ticket number along with your last name to access your reservation. If you found this guide useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tips.